What is up, you guys? Welcome back to JDM. So today we're gonna be working on the Legacy. As you can see, I got a few things apart here. We're gonna be putting some new coil packs in, and the reason we're doing this is the Legacy's been sitting here for probably 8 months or so, and it has this issue where I start to get into boost and it just like vibrates and shakes. And to me, I didn't really know what that was. I tried a few different things trying to fix the Legacy. Did like spark plugs and stuff too a while ago. I think I was having the issue then, but if I have a clip, I'll play it here. This is my 2004 JDM Legacy GT, the BP5 with the 2-liter twin-scroll turbo, 5-speed manual. And my issue here is basically the car starts to get into boost and then it breaks up. As well as that issue, I'm also getting this issue where I clutch in and the car stalls. Probably about 60% of the time when I clutch in to say roll up to a stop sign, the car just stalls on me. And it's really annoying. I've had that, just the clutch problem before when I reset the battery, like do a battery reset or reset the ECU. And it just kind of works itself out in a few days. But now I've been stuck with it for about 2 months now, and it sucks. I parked the car for a month and I wasn't driving it because it's just very annoying. So I'm gonna throw you on my head here and we're gonna go for a drive, and I'm gonna show you guys what's going on here. Okay, so 4th gear, we're gonna roll into boost here and see what happens. Half throttle. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it's cutting out. Something else I forgot to mention is I have my buddy Cam's mass airflow sensor in my car right now because his car is parked right now for the winter, and he said he would help me out by just lending me some of his parts that he knows works and troubleshoot. So the mass airflow sensor, it's not that. I had a leaking fuel line, and 2 days ago it was dripping like a fast drip, probably 2 drips per second. So it was dripping pretty fast, and I've been wondering why. I'm getting horrible fuel economy. So you can see 180 kilometers to half a tank. I only filled up half on this tank, and I should be getting like close to 300. So I fixed the fuel line, so it's not leaking anymore. It's not the mass airflow sensor. So the next thing, and there's no check engine lights either. That's the weird thing. Next thing is Cam thinks it's coil packs, so I think he's gonna lend me some coil packs. If not, maybe I'll buy one and swap through the cylinders, but when I do that, I'll check back in and let you guys know. I took the car for a ride in the winter with Cam, and he said he thinks it would be coil packs, and I actually messaged somebody on Kijiji that was selling a Legacy GT like this, and was asking him if he's had many issues with it and stuff, and he said he had this kind of weird misfiring shaking issue getting into boost, and that's exactly what I had. He said he changed the coil packs, problem was gone. So that's what we're gonna do today. I bought 4 coil packs. Like, these things are expensive, right? So I bought 4 of them after checking like with Subaru and from a place called WSI, where I get most of my parts from in Edmonton here. I got these ones off eBay because WSI had them for like, who knows, like 190 bucks a pop, or like 200 bucks a pop. So it'll be like at least 800 bucks to do coils. I found these on eBay, 4 of them for like $85. So they're like a little bit over 20 bucks a piece. I'm really hoping that they do the job here because they are dirt cheap, and they, you know, but they are brand new, and hopefully they hold up for a bit. So if you haven't done coil packs before on a Subaru or spark plugs or anything, what you want to do is get your battery out. So that's pretty easy. 2 10 mils, positive, negative off, boom, slap it out. Airbox comes out. You got a couple of 10 mils holding it down here, and 1 10 mil right in here that you got to pop off. Loosen that clamp, take the airbox out. It's all pretty easy, and then you can see the coil packs down in here, and those are 12 mils I believe on there, and you can see them on this side just right there. So it's pretty easy. a good tip for doing Subaru coil packs is when you take them out, like I know one of these is really hard to take out. I think it's this one. So what you do is you loosen it, pop it out away from the spark plug, twist it 180 degrees upside down like a barrel roll, and then it'll come out easier. And yeah, that's it. Let's get to it. Okay, so this coil pack was the one from back here, over in this area. I had a hell of a time getting it out, and what I had to do, I cracked it loose with the 10 mil, and then I couldn't get at it by hand because it's so tight in there. I couldn't loosen it by hand. I didn't have enough torque, so I grabbed a rubber band and I looped it once, twice, and then I reached in there and I stuck it on the head of the bolt, and what that does is it gives you some grip. So I got on the rubber and then I just kind of inched it out like a 1/12 of a turn at a time. Finally got it out. And then this one you had to turn 180 degrees and then it'll pop out, and then you pop your connector off and you're good to go. So that's how you get that one out. Now we're gonna move to this side. Alright, so we got all the old coil packs out now. Here's the old ones, these four, and here's the new ones. What helped me to get this coil pack out, which was this back one, the last one I did over here, was to use the 12 mil, just the socket itself, and then get back there, put it on the head of the bolt, and then just use this and turn it off by hand. That helped me. So I was inspecting these new eBay coil packs, just checking out the quality of them, making sure they have the 3-prong pins, and they look pretty good. A few of the two of these metal things inside, if you can see them, were a little bit bent, so I used a flathead screwdriver and straightened those out. But other than that, they look really good. So let's throw them back in the car now. Okay, I've been having major issues getting this coil pack in because with the frame rail here, no matter which angle you go in, the little rubber thing on the coil pack, this part, will not go over the spark plug. It just goes to the side of it, and then it goes to this side of it, and then it goes under and it goes over top, but it doesn't fit on. So what I did was I took off this rubber piece from the coil pack, fed the rubber piece in there, stuck it on the spark plug, and that was easy to do. I have a little mirror, stuck it on, and then I got this on there and used a pair of pliers to hold this part like that, and then just shoved this on there. Actually, I used the pliers and I pulled this back onto there and it popped back on. So now it's on there and it's good. So I'm going to clip in the wiring here, clip in this thing, and then screw it in, and it's good to go. And then hopefully we will drive this and it'll be all fixed. We'll see. It's all back together now. Let's take it for a drive and see if it's any better. I haven't driven this thing in a while. Let's see if I remember how to drive right-hand drive and manual here. Oh, and it stalled on me. Bump start. So my Legacy's done this since I got it. Every time you take the battery out and do like an ECU reset, it always stalls on me for a while after, for about a day or like maybe 3 driving hours or so. And I don't know why it does that, but it's always done that for me. So I had a buddy that cleared a code for me at a car meet, and I didn't know he was gonna clear my, like reset my ECU, but he did that. And then for the whole car meet, for the next hour, my car was stalling every time I clutched in, which isn't good when you're doing wide open throttle pulls. Okay, we'll try to give her a little bit of beans here. We'll roll into it. I think I'm still in eco mode, yeah. But it's still, I do have really low gas too, so I hope it doesn't break up because of the low gas, but let's see. Okay, I didn't really feel it breaking up. Try it again up here. Maybe we'll take it off of eco mode. If this Legacy has some power now, I would be so happy. Let's see, we'll give a little bit of space up here. Okay, and we'll roll into its second gear. Here it goes. Okay, it's not breaking up anymore. I think we're good. I think we fixed it. Well, there you have it. If your JDM Legacy GT ej20y is breaking up when you're going into boost, it's probably the coil packs. I'll link those eBay coil packs that I bought down in the description. So if you're cheap like me and you don't want to spend $800 to try and diagnose an issue, and that's not actually the issue, I'll link them down below. It was like 85 bucks, 87 bucks, or maybe like 83. Less than $90 for 4 coil packs for a Subaru, which is pretty freaking awesome. So I hope this helps a lot of people, because I didn't know what it was for the longest time, and I'm glad that my Legacy is now a Legacy again and not just a slow, unboostable regular car. We'll see you guys next time.